How to insert Google Sheets into Google Docs. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily insert your Google Sheets table into your Google Docs document. So first thing you're going to have to do is open the Google Sheets of which you want to copy the data. And then from here on a new tab, you'll just have to go to docs.google.com and open up your Google Docs. I'll just go ahead and open this existing document here. You can open up a new one if you want. I'll just create a new page. All right, so on this new page, I want to insert the table. So what I'm going to do is go to this sheet, select the range of data that you want to insert. So I'll just select these three columns. And then what you're going to have to do is use your keyboard shortcut Control+C or just right click on it to copy the data. Go to your document and use your keyboard shortcut or just right click and paste on it, Control+V. Once you've done that, you'll get this pop-up. Now, this is important because if you want to make changes on both of these, you might want to link to spreadsheet, but if you want it to be an independent data, you can just paste it unlinked. So what happens is if you select the link to spreadsheet, if you go ahead and change the data here, so here's 31, I'm just going to change this to, let's say, 90. And then if I go there, if I just refresh the page, the data will also be updated here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.